your phone feels slow, overheats quickly, or the battery drains too fast, there's a hidden reason behind it. Google Play services. Most people never notice it, but it keeps running background tasks again and again. On low-end devices, it quietly uses your RAM, CPU, and battery, making your phone lag, heat up, and lose charge faster. But here's the good news. You don't need root, and you don't need any complicated settings. In this video, I'll show you one simple module that can reduce those unnecessary background tasks and instantly free up system resources. That means your phone can feel faster, smoother, cooler, and more responsive within minutes. And if you play games, this gets even better. You can get less frame drops, reduced heating, more stable FPS, and better battery backup while gaming. Whether you use a low-end phone or a mid-range device that has become slow over time, this method can make a real difference. But don't skip, because the final setup at the end is where the biggest performance boost happens. So stay till the end, and let's fix your phone right now. So let's get started. First, you only need to install HTG Game Turbo as the main app for the plugin to be used in this content. Download and install HTG Game Turbo from Play Store. Then once done, you also need to download the plugin, which I will link in the pinned comment, so check it out. After downloading all, just download Shizuku and grant permission to HTG Game Turbo X. If you want to know how to allow permission to Shizuku, watch my previous video pinned in description. After allowing Shizuku, allow the HTG Game Turbo X. Now extract the modules downloaded from the description. After extraction, open the HTG Game Turbo X and select the module for the installation. Installation take few seconds to install. After that, you will definitely feel the change in smoothness. If you want Google Play services, back install the second module to reback all settings. Selecting Remove module will remove all applied settings from the previous module for removing Play services. You can now enjoy playing games in a much lighter way. Now go play at your best. If this setup helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real performance tweaks like this. See you in the next one.